A very good morning to all dear parents and my dear students. Once again, a warm welcome to online classes of Erudite School of Learning, Fatehnagar. Mobile number 7568077458. Class Senior KG, Subject English, page number 16, lecture number 59. Today we will read the rhyming words. On the page number 16, you have seen words. We will learn how to read the words. See here, you see orange highlighted letters. What you see? Orange highlighted letters. So you have to read with me. U, E. Now come on the words. C, U, E. Read with me. C, U, E. Now the phonic sound of C is K. Very good. Now the sound of UE is U. Speak with me. U. C-U-E-Q. C-U-E-Q. Now come on the next. D-U-E. The phonic sound of D is D. Now the next letters U-E. So again the phonic sound of U is U. D-U-E. Dew. You have to read with me. Dew. Now come on the next. H-U-E. The phonic sound of H is H. Very good. Now the next letters are orange highlighted. U-E. Again the phonic sound of U is U. H-U-E. U. H-U-E. U. Now come on the next. V-E and U-E. So the phonic sound of V is V. And the phonic sound of E is A. The phonic sound of N is N. Now again the highlighted letters are UE. So the phonic sound of UE is U. U. VE and UE. Venue. You have to speak with me. Venue. VE and UE. Venue. Now come on the next. EW. So it will give the same sound. It will give the same sound. UE and EW make the same sound. Now you have to read with me. DEW. So D का phonic sound क्या होता है? D. Very good. Now the next letters are EW. DEW. Again the EW gave the same sound. U. DEW. 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 Now come on the next. FEW. The phonic sound of F is F. The phonic sound of F is F. Now the next letters are EW. The phonic sound of EW is U. FEW. 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 Now come on the next. NEW. The phonic sound of N is N. The phonic sound of N is N. Now the next letter is EW. Now again it will give the same sound. EW, U. And EW, new. And EW, new. Now come on the next. SEW. The phonic sound of S is S. The phonic sound of S is S. Now again EW. EW का sound क्या होता है? U. SEW, Sew. SEW, Sew. Now come on the first. Dew, few, new, sew. Now you have to read with me the next words. STEW. The phonic sound of S is S. And the phonic sound of T is T. EW. STEW, stew. STEW, stew. Now come on the next. VIEW. The phonic sound of V is V. And the phonic sound of I is E. VIEW, view. VIEW, view. Now we will read from the first. Q, dew, hue, venue. Dew, few, new, sew. Stew, view. Now you have to read with me with the fastest speed. Q, dew, hue, venue. Dew, few, new, sew. Stew, view. Now what you have to do in homework? You have to repeat on the page number 16. You have to read that rhyming words, you have to record the voice and send it to the school WhatsApp number. What you have to do, आपको होमवर्क में क्या करना है, आपको होमवर्क में राइमिंग वर्ड्स को रीड करना है मिनिमम टाइम में, देन आपको रिकॉर्ड करके स्कूल WhatsApp नंबर पर सेंड करना है. दिस इज़ योर होमवर्क. टिल देन